Did you know that a detailed analysis of your expenses can revolutionize your company's efficiency and savings? With expense analysis, you gain total control over your expenses, identifying savings opportunities and optimizing your negotiations with suppliers.
We present a digital file in editable format for a structured report to analyze your company's expenses. This report allows you to identify spending trends, display the main suppliers, check the most relevant categories, and identify the products that have the greatest impact on costs.
There are 7 report pages in total, 4 of which are data presentation, overview, supplier analysis, analysis by category, data breakdown, and 3 are auxiliary, cover, instructions, and documentation.
With intuitive data visualization, the presentation starts with large numbers and goes down to the most granular level, which is the database.
Don't waste time. Implement data-driven management and take your company's purchasing management to the next level.